All living things need food to grow and live. Food gives us energy, so we need food to remain healthy. There are two types of animals: herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals. Herbivorous animals are those animals which depends on plant for their food. For example, cow, buffalo, zebra, goat, deer, horse and elephant. Herba means plant. Vorous means eater. Plant-eating animals are called herbivorous animals. Carnivorous animals are those animals which depends on flesh of other animals for their food. For example, dog, cat, lion, tiger, fox, etc. Carn means flesh and vorous means eater. Omnivorous animals. Omni means all, vorous means eater. Omnivorous animals are those animals which depends on both plants and animals for their food. For example, bear, crow, and human beings. They both eat plants and flesh of animals. How animals feed? Different animals eat different types of food, so their manners of eating is different. Their mouth is also modified to suit their mode of eating. Some animals swallow their food. For example, birds have no teeth, so they swallow their food. Lizards and snakes have very small teeth. They are not useful for chewing, but it helps them to grab. They eat mice and frogs. Snakes can separate out their jaws to open their mouth wide, which helps them swallow prey bigger than their mouth. Some animals uses their tongue to catch the food. Frogs and lizards have long and sticky tongue. Sometimes birds swallow some stones along with their food. It helps them crushing the grains they eat. Some animals tear, grind and chew their food. For example, lions, tigers have sharp pointed and curved front teeth. They have strong grinding teeth at the back to chew the flesh. Crocodiles and alligators have a large mouth with a sharp, long and pointed teeth. They snap at animals which come to drink water. Teeth have powerful jaws, help them to grab even bigger animals and tear their flesh. Some animals chew and swallow their food, such as herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals have broad, flat and sharp front teeth to cut their food. Cows and buffaloes bite the grass and swallow it. Later they bring back the food into their mouth and chew it slowly. Elephants use their trunk to tear off grass and branches and put in their mouth. They have large grinding teeth to chew and grind their food. They drink water with the help of their trunk. Some animals also nibble their food, such as mice and rabbits. They have sharp front teeth. These animals eat their food by taking small bites. Cats and dogs lap liquids like water, milk with their tongue. Cats have rough tongue, have sharp-edged surface which help them to lap liquids. Other animals like butterflies and mosquitoes can feed by sucking their food. They have a tube in the place of mouth. This tube is called proboscis. It works like a straw. Proboscis to suck liquids like nectar from flowers. These animals uses it to suck food. Domestic animals. Different domestic animals are used for different purposes, such as cow, goats, and camels are used for the milk, whereas sheep and hens are for the meat. Hens and ducks are used for the eggs. Buffaloes, horses are used for the farming. Horse, donkeys and buffaloes, they carry loads. Domestic animals depend on us for their food. Different domestic animals need different types of food. Domestic animals should be kept in a clean place and should be checked by